A Southern Indiana fire department says there's no doubt it will now be able to save more lives.
WDRB's Darby Bean explains what's new that's helping bridge the gap in a statewide shortage.
The Tri-Township Fire Department says more than half of its runs are for medical responses, not fires. So those here are working to do more on the scene.
Of course, we have things like nitroglycerin for chest pain, aspirin.
Tri-Township Fire and Rescue is now able to provide additional care to patients when showing up to emergencies.
One thing that a lot of people don't know is that fire services a lot of times are the first person on the scene.
Several on the department recently completed certification and training needed to move from basic to advanced life support care.
If they were just basic life support, they would be extremely limited on what they can do.
Now they have the ability to use this equipment to start IV lines, give fluids, provide medications, and more.
The more rapid care we can provide at highest levels, it is better for the patients.
And doing this now is key. Clark County Health Officer Dr. Eric Yazel, a supporter through this process, says this advanced certification is expanding the necessary workforce at a time when it's needed most.
We have a critical paramedic shortage across the state, not just in Clark County, but statewide. And so, we really need to look at some creative solutions, and this is one.
While this training doesn't give firefighters the full ability of a trained paramedic, it does help free up those who are to respond to other emergencies.
Is that those advanced level providers are going to be available more quickly, but it also means for the second person that calls that they're going to have extra providers available in the field to respond more efficiently.
New Chapel EMS says this won't only be a positive for the Tri-Township district, but for the county as a whole.
This really is a through and through partnership that is going to be a huge benefit, and I think that the citizens of Clark County are going to be much better served because they've taken this extra step that they didn't have to take.
The fire department also has 3 employees in paramedic training who will graduate in August. Reporting in Clark County with photojournalist Neil Johnson, Darby Bean, WDRB News.